Hi guys, so on this video, I'm going to teach you on how to add 2FA or the two-factor authenticator to your Gmail. So if you followed along by now, you should have two things. You have number one is a brand new Gmail account that you are going to use strictly for crypto. And number two, you have downloaded the Google Authenticator app. So just a side note, the Google Authenticator, you're not going to be using only for Gmail, but we are going to be setting every single account you hold on an exchange that has your crypto on it and with the Google Authenticator. So with that app, Google Authenticator that you have downloaded on your phones, okay, this is gonna come in handy. And if you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure you download because this is the best and probably be the only way to keep your account secure from hackers when you start holding lots and lots of money in your accounts. Obviously, you don't want it to be stolen, just like you don't want people knowing your bank card PIN and withdrawing all the money out of your account. So let's get it started. Please allow me to share my screen. Okay. Okay. So, right. So let's get started on how to set up the 2FA or the two-factor authenticator. This is also what we call the two-step verification on your new Gmail account. All right, so here is a Gmail account that I've just created. Okay, and I assume you've already had yours, a very fresh Gmail account that you will strictly use for your accounts in cryptos. So then for your cryptos. So in this window, in your Gmail window, right, you hit the right top icon with your initial on it. There it is. And you're gonna hit manage your Google account, and it's gonna open a new window. And on the left sidebar of your window, you're going to select security. Once you're on this page, you scroll down a bit and you will see two-step verification, which is currently off. Click it to turn it on and hit get started at the bottom from this window that popped up. Get started. And then it's going to prompt you to log in again. So it's going to ask you to sign with your password. And then you're going to hit next. All right. And so now, as you can see, it's going to ask you also to set up your phone. So type it in and scroll down. You have to make sure you are going to set it up with the right country where you're at. Okay, so that's my phone number. And I assume everybody had select a text message from Google to set your phone, or in order for you to get the codes when they send it. And then at the bottom, right bottom, you will see next. So hit next. All right. And it's going to bring you to a window with the two-step verification for your phone number. So you will have to go and check on your phone. with that code that they have sent. So for mine, I got 322228815. Right? Hit next and turn on. All right. So now we're going to make use of the Google Authenticator app that we have downloaded on our phone. So just a quick reminder here, as you can see, this is not really safe. So when you see this one, you don't want this to be showing there, meaning there are lots of instances wherein people are getting hacked because they have set up their Googles or their their Gmails with the phone verification code, and they are getting the text instead of getting the text messages or even getting the phone verifications, and they easily get hacked because of this. So you don't want this, so you go all the way down, okay, and hit on Authenticator app. Authenticator app. All right, so make use. Right now, okay, if you remember, I have asked you also to download the app, the Google Authenticator app on your phones, okay, and then, right, so you have selected that app and set up Authenticator. You hit this one and a QR code prompt up, right? And right now, I'm going on my phone and open my Authenticator app. Remember the gray one that I've shown you before? And then you just hit plus sign at the bottom, at the right bottom corner of your phone, you will see a colored plus sign. So you hit on that and hold the phone camera up to the computer and scan instantly your QR code. So hit on scan QR code and there, it already scanned my QR code on my computer. So you have had your Google Authenticator set up, you hit next, and then from your phone, you get the 6-digit authenticator numbers or code. You just type it in there, 116098, and hit verify. And then now we have already set up the Google Authenticator for your Gmail account. All right. So if you, every time from now on, right, to get, in order for you to be able to get onto your Gmail account, every time you use a new device, you're gonna type the 6-digit code, and this is gonna keep hackers out, even if somehow they manage to get your account and email login. For example, they know your password or your other informations in order to log into your account. But if you have your phone and they don't have your phone, they cannot log in because they require the 6-digit code, which is every 60 seconds, it's refreshing. So that's impossible, almost impossible to chance for them to get through your account. They could never enter because they will never get that 6-digit code to enter. So that's an extra security, and you definitely need it on the crypto world, especially now that you are on the go to own more crypto assets. Good luck to that. Congratulations.